There's still months of work to be done.
The future Frisco Public Library is making progress on its construction chapter.
We are now standing in the lobby of the library.
To the left in the main lobby will be stacked seating for people watching, waiting for a friend, or it can be
a pop-up space for programs.
Nearby is an area for all kinds of learning experiences.
We call it our Creativity Commons.
Where Frisco Public Library Director Shelley Hawley says you can learn to make salsa or learn to dance salsa. But likely one of the biggest attractions to the library will be Rexy, an oversized T-Rex that will greet guests.
And she marks the gateway into the children's area. Her birthplace is in Tennessee, and she is being packed up now in all her bits and pieces.
She arrives in Frisco the 1st of August and will take 3 weeks to assemble her, but we'll have to wait to meet her until the new library opens. Then up on the mezzanine,
this room is the maker space.
That's where the 3D printers and book machine will be. Then on the north end of the mezzanine will be the library's quiet room.
Then there's a ton of finishing. And then there's the load-in, because really, personality hasn't started yet, right?
Carpet will be installed soon and walls painted. Plus all the technology has to be installed before furniture and shelves can be placed.
Then we have 250,000 items to move over, and that's can't be done overnight.
The plan is to make that move over about a 6-week period.
We're literally going to a space that's 3 times the size of the one we had before.
Staff is looking forward to what the new library will allow them to bring to guests.
More space, more opportunity to offer services they've wanted to be able to offer, but the constraints of the current location don't allow for it.
And this library was built with flexibility in mind. Spaces can be changed in the future to adjust to guests' needs and wants. To keep up with the library project, go to friscolibrary.com/new-library.